Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Honey. So, today we are going to do reading for the day and see what kind of energies we might come across or deal with. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. Oops. For more accurate and personal readings, hold on. Yep, sorry. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So, let's see what do the cards have. This is a general reading, guys. So, please take what resonates, okay? Let's see what kind of energies we might come across or deal with. Okay, let's take this. Okay, so today's energy is, if you're feeling stuck, it can be in any situation, it can be in a relationship, it can be in your workplace, then you need to understand what is, which is making you feel stuck. Is it your, suppressed emotions that until and unless you acknowledge or, sit with your emotions, sit with yourself and try to understand the problem, you will not be able to overcome that challenge. Okay, तो अगर आप किसी भी सिचुएशन में फंसा हुआ या अटका हुआ या स्टक महसूस कर रहे हो तो आपको you need to let go. It can be letting go of a connection, it can be letting go of a situation, it can be letting go of your ego also for some of you. And set yourself free. Okay, don't try to hold on to things if it's making difficult for you to move on in your life. Okay, so that's the energy for the day, guys. Please claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.